In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quotes in Notion. If you're brand new to Notion or just looking to refine your pages, this will show you the simplest, most reliable ways to make key thoughts, testimonials, or standout lines pop right off the page. Let's start with the fastest approach using Notion's native quote block. Open your Notion page and click into an empty block. From there, press the quotation mark key once, then hit the spacebar. You'll see the block instantly transform into a quote style. If you prefer using commands, type /, then the word quote, and press enter. Either way, you're now in a dedicated quote block, ready to type. As you add your text, notice the clean indentation and the vertical line on the left. That visual cue draws attention without overwhelming the rest of your layout, which makes it perfect for concise statements, customer testimonials, or inspirational lines that should stand apart from your regular paragraphs. All your usual text formatting still works inside a quote block, so you can keep your tone clear and consistent. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure your cursor is sitting in a brand new empty block before you try it. The command only triggers when there's nothing else in that line. Now, if you already have text on the page and decide it would look better as a quote, you don't need to retype anything. Simply highlight the text you want to convert. A small formatting menu will appear above your selection. Click Turn Into, then choose Quote from the list. Your selected text is instantly transformed into a quote block, preserving what you wrote while giving it that clean, indented styling. This is especially handy when you're revising a document, summarizing a meeting, or pulling a standout line from a longer paragraph. It keeps your flow intact while guiding readers' eyes to what matters most. That's all it takes. Use the quote block when you want emphasis with elegance, and convert existing text when you're refining after the fact. With these two methods in your toolkit, your Notion pages will feel clearer, more readable, and more intentional. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.